Welcome to Learn Karaoke.
5 little cars driving down the lane. One zoomed fast and said, "Catch me if you can." The others beeped and honked, "Wait for us too." Now 4 little cars vroom vroom went through. 5 little cars at the racing track. One zoomed ahead and never looked back. The others cheered, "You're driving so great." Now 4 little cars are at the starting gate. 5 little cars in a parade so bright. One waved goodbye and zoomed out of sight. The others tooted horns, what a grand show. Now 4 little cars kept the fun on the go. 5 little cars in a garage so neat. One rolled out to take a trip down the street. The others said, "We'll wait here for you." Now 4 little cars parked in a row too. 5 little cars stuck in traffic one day. One found a shortcut and drove far away. The others beeped, "Where'd you go so quick?" Now 4 little cars stayed in the traffic thick.
If you like the video, do like and subscribe to our channel for more learning videos like this.